Hello. You know, again, we have been receiving so many requests for unique applications for Secure Set. One of them is in the marine industry, and a lot of the application for the foam is for the stiffening of hulls, the strengthening of the frame of the boat. But what I'd like to do today, I'd like to introduce to you to Troy Kirby and Red Mansell, and something that they're doing is the refurbishment of their boat project. Troy, go ahead.
We have a 1981 Glastron Carlson Edition Scimitar, 23-foot boat. Production numbers was about 500. Of the 500, 300 were sent to 7 different countries, so that leaves about 200 in the U.S. I picked this boat up. It originally came from New York. I've had it since about 2013 or so. I've been waiting to get this boat into Red's shop for the expert hands and mind, and that's where we are today.
The unique aspect for this boat is that this boat is associated with a movie, a James Bond movie called Moonraker. There have been owners of boats as far away as Australia who have shipped boats in this condition to Red to have them restored. So over the years, Red has restored many boats, focusing on this one for some significant reasons because of the properties of Secure Set. Number one, it fills the voids so well. Number two, the stiffening of the hull. And number three is for sound deadening. Yeah. One of the aspects and the significant properties of the foam is that, again, the load that it will support. This particular version, or this formulation, will support 14,414 pounds per square foot. So when you're talking about wave penetration and just acceleration, the hull can take so much more pressure because of the ability for the foam to withstand those forces from the water. So we're going to move over here to the table and give a little explanation of how they go about their business, and then we'll get right into the restoration. Well, this is our standard formula for Secure Set. It's the same one we use in the commercial utility industry. Again, we set very large structures with this foam, poles as high as 150 feet tall. So the uniqueness about this is that because of the way it's packaged, they can fine-tune exactly how much product they need per section of the boat. And as you can see here, we've got measuring cups pre-positioned. So they're going to take it away, and we're just going to get into watching them do the process effectively for the boat.
Let's do 15-15, it's cool.
Okay.
Coming up to 24.
Yep.
We're going to mix the counterclockwise 15 seconds. Are you ready for it?
Yep.
And this toy, he can make his own mess.
And there it is. The foam's flush even with the top of the plug. 17 right there.
Okay. We like.
We finished pouring most of the floor. As you can see, there's a small section in the back, but for today's section, about 45 minutes it took to fill this up. There are other areas of the boat that they are going to use the foam in these voids here in the side and possibly up in the nose. Red has just confided in us that when he's done, this boat will be 2 to 3 times stronger than it was when it was new. So we're very appreciative that
And hardly any heavier.
and hardly any heavier, and take the time to have us come out. But fantastic application, and again, for all those individuals who have asked us about the use of the foam in the maritime industry, Red, phenomenal. So many years and so much expertise. We could sit and talk with him for days, but this is a great application. Adds rigidity, adds integrity to the whole hull, and
Tremendously.
tremendously. So we thank him very much.